Another beautiful low-mile, especially Mustang that we just got in it, unique, especially in classics. 2005 Saleen Supercharged S281 Convertible. As you can see, it's in screaming yellow, which is an absolutely gorgeous color on this car. I did say it was a low-mile example, a little over 2,100 miles in this car. So you could expect it is about as close to new as you could get for a 14-year-old car. Like I said, this particular one is a supercharged convertible. So it puts out 400 horse, 420 foot-pounds of torque. The Saleen sequential number is 1072. This car is one of only 79 supercharged convertibles in 2005. Were not a lot of supercharged convertibles or coupes produced in 2005. This is one of the rare ones. And colors in 2005, the least produced colors were Legend Lime and Screaming Yellow. So you can imagine there's not a lot of yellow 05 supercharged convertibles running around, let alone a low mile example like this, and it's clean. As you can see up and down it, its paint is brilliant on it, has a beautiful luster, it's not full of scratches, nicks, chips. You take a look at the seating in it, it's like brand new. I do have the Ford manual, have the Saleen manual, and a window sticker in the back seat there. You can check out the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see the underside, engine bay, interior. You'll see pictures of all the Saleen badging, from the dash plaque to the cowl plate underneath the hood, as well as all those window stickers, manuals, and a multitude of pictures. If you'd like to inquire about this car, got any questions, like to know more about it, please feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. I'm going to give you an example how clean this car is. Take a look at these exhaust tips. Still read the Saleen insignia in the top of each one of them, and you can see how clean they are. This car has just been immaculately kept. It is a one-owner car. We got it in South Carolina. Again, feel free to take a look at all the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Upgraded chrome wheels on the supercharged Saleen option right there. It's still riding on the original Pirellis. You can see they have hardly any wear to them, so you know the car has been babied, was adult owned and cared for and driven, and it definitely shows. I'll pop the door open here for you so you can see. Check out all the nicest interiors. I'm going to give you an idea here too. You can see where my feet were in this mat. That's actually just the way the carpet still has a nice nap to it. Those are the Saleen floor mats. See what kind of nice shape those are in. Leather seats. One of the other things you'll know, if you're into Mustangs at all, lots of times these door cards start to pull here. These seem to be in good shape yet. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. One of the best parts about the Saleen. This does have a 5-speed manual transmission also. There's your miles. Reset that. 2,115 actual miles in this car. No check engine lights, anything like that on. Just the seat belt. I got the parking brake on. There'd be your intercooler temp. Boost gauge. Shaker 500 system. 5-speed tranny. Saleen dash plaque over there. Which, like I said, you can check that out in any of the pictures. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Slip around to the back of this car. Hear that center dump exhaust. Nice little rumble to it. Hear a little whine out of that supercharger. Speaking of the supercharger, I'm going to pause the video here for a second. Let's pop that hood so you can check out the engine bay too. Alright, there it is. Take a look at how clean this is up under here. Purrs beautifully. Hear that supercharger. Nothing sounds better than one of these under throttle. Nice whine out of it. Hear the exhaust note. Just incredible. So give us a call. If you'd like to know more about this, 507-386-1726. Or like I said, once again, check out any of the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. 2005 Saleen Mustang Supercharged S281 Convertible.